If you think the reason that you're not getting leads on LinkedIn is because you don't have enough followers, I'm about to blow your mind. I used to be in your shoes. I was posting videos and I was getting results. And I was hoping that if I just said the right buzzword or came up with a better hook, that I would magically start to get clients. But instead, I would wake up to the same few hundred views and the same 10, 15 people commenting on my posts over and over and over again. But after more posts than I care to admit, I stumbled around some that actually started to generate leads. And I noticed that they all had the same things in common. So I broke this down and repeated it across all of my content. And in just 3 months, my LinkedIn videos started to bring in leads on autopilot. And at the time, I had less than 5,000 followers. So obviously I wanted to replicate the same success for my coaching clients. But every single time that they tried to do it themselves, they either took forever, felt awkward, or they just didn't get any results. And I kept hearing the same things over and over again. Danny, I don't have the time to do this. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to make hooks. So I decided to build a done-for-you system for my clients to take all the hard work off their plate. And suddenly, the leads started to roll in. Now, instead of spending hours and spinning their wheels trying to create videos, all they did was show up and we did the rest. And the content was finally bringing in real business. I even convinced my own coach, Adam, to stop posting on Instagram, come over to LinkedIn, and start fresh with 0 followers. And within just a few months, he was already landing high-ticket clients from LinkedIn. And within the first year, he's generated multiple 6 figures. So what makes Video on Easy Mode different from every other video agency out there? So one is you're not spending hours coming up with ideas and filming and editing and doing all the post-production. You don't have to post every single day, multiple times a day like a TikTok influencer. On LinkedIn, quality is better than quantity. We handle everything from researching what is top of mind and what is working for your industry, and coming up with topics and hooks that resonate, coaching you through the entire filming process to make sure that your messaging is on point, it's relevant, it's concise, and that it guides people to how they can work with you. And lastly, we package it all up for you with professional editing so you get a nice, clean, branded look. Now all you need to do is post it, engage, and let the leads start rolling in. And the best part is that our clients aren't just getting likes, they're closing deals. One of our clients just landed a $26,000 project. It was a lead from one of our videos. And another signed 3 new agency clients just last month. But wait, I'm sure that you're asking yourself this question. Isn't this expensive? For less money than what you get from one high-ticket client, you are going to get a system that gets you organic leads every single month. So hit the link in the description if you're ready to start landing more clients on LinkedIn. And if you know somebody who's been saying, hey, I really need to start posting more videos, drop this in their inbox. You know they need it. See ya.